The question is, in a triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, A 5 comma 6, A 5 comma 6, A 5 comma 6. బాగా బ్లర్ అవుతుందా?
లేదు సార్, క్లియర్ గానే ఉంది.
A 5 comma 6 and B minus 1 comma 4 and C is not given, but centroid is given. The centroid is 2 comma 4. The centroid is 2 comma 4. This is 2 comma 4. Centroid is given 2 comma 4 and he is asking what? The area of the triangle formed by the midpoints. Is asking the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints. DEF area is asking. And we know the area of the triangle DEF is nothing but the area of the triangle ABC. But we don't know C. And we can find easily C. Why? Because A given, B given. Why? Because A given, B given, and centroid also given. If given 2 vertices and 1 centroid, we can find not given vertex, that is missing vertex. Okay. Let x1 y1 is equal to 5 comma 6, x2 y2 is equal to minus 1 comma 4, and third vertex C takes some x3 y3, and centroid G is equal to 2 comma 4 takes some x comma y. Therefore C is equal to, we have already 3x minus x1 minus x2 comma 3y minus y1 minus y2 is the formula. So this is equal to 3 into x. 3 into x means what? 2. 3 2 is 6 minus, what is x1? X1 is what? 5 and minus x2. What is x2? X2 is what? Minus 1. That minus into minus plus 1 comma, and 3y. 3 into y. 3 4 is 12 minus y1. What is y1? Y1 is 6 and minus y2. What is y2? Y2 is equal to minus 4. So this is equal to, you will get 6 plus 1 7 minus 5 is 2 comma 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 4 is again 2. So the vertex C is what? 2 comma 2. Now you have A, B, C, and the area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to of mod det of 3 vertices 5 comma 6 comma 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, or you can use of mod x1 minus x1 into y2 minus y3. As you wish, you can use that also. And second point is minus 1 comma 4 comma 1, and third point 2 comma 2 comma 1 is equal to of mod 5 into 4 minus 2. 5 into 4 minus 2, 2. Next, minus 6 into 1 1 ja minus 1, 2 1 ja 2, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Next, plus 1 into this 1 into 2 1 ja minus 2, 2 4 ja minus 8, minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2 mod of 5 2 ja 10 minus into minus plus 6 3 ja 18, and minus into plus minus 10 10 10 cancel, remaining 18 by 2 is equal to 9 units is the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints DEF. Okay, understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Right. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
And the next one, I'm giving as homework, copy this.
Okay.
If
Yeah,
G is the centroid of triangle ABC, if G is the centroid of triangle ABC,
Okay.
and BC is equal to 3, CA is equal to 4, AB is equal to 5, then BG is equal to what? We have relation in terms of 3. In terms of 3 relations I gave you.
Yes, sir.
By using that you can find.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Yes, sir.
homework question number 1. And next, related to centroid, I will give you some homework problems.
Okay.
Practice them. Yeah, right question.
Yeah.
If 1 comma a, 2 comma b, 1 comma a, 2 comma b, c square comma minus 3 are the vertices of a triangle, then the condition for centroid lies on x-axis. The condition for the centroid lies on x-axis. Centroid lies on x-axis. First option, 3a plus 3b is equal to 1. Second option, a plus b is equal to 3. Third option, ab is equal to 3. Fourth option, 2a plus 3b is equal to 7. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, very easy. Saying what centroid lies on x-axis. If you will get centroid something, 1 comma 2, some you will get in terms of ABC. Suppose a comma 2b plus c, you will get centroid like this. Lies on x-axis, na. If a point lies on x-axis, the y-coordinate will be 0. Make y-coordinate equal to 0, you will get the
0.
solution.
Yeah, okay, sir.
That is. Next question. In a triangle ABC, A 5 comma 6 and centroid G is equal to 2 comma 3. In a triangle ABC, one vertex A and centroid given 2 comma 3, then the midpoint of the side BC. Then the midpoint of side BC. Then the midpoint of side BC is what? Then the midpoint of side BC is what? Then the midpoint of side BC is what? That you have options also. First option, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Second option, 3 by 2, 3 by 4. Third option, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Fourth option, 3 by 4, 3 by 2. These are the options.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Condition. The coordinates of the centroid and two vertices of a triangle, then the area of the triangle. This you can easily. Fourth one, right? The
Okay.
centroid and two vertices of the triangle. The centroid and two vertices of the triangle are, centroid is 4 comma minus 8 and vertices A minus 9 comma 7, B 1 comma 4. Then find the area of the triangle. Then the area of the triangle is 333, 166.5, third one 111, fourth one 55.5,
50?
5.5,
Okay.
55.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Orthocenters. Now, orthocenter. Centroid finisher.
Yes, sir.
Now, orthocenter heading.
Okay.
Enough. And తర్వాత మనం ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, ప్రెజెంట్ ఇవి ఓకే.
Yeah, okay, sir.
And the orthocenter heading. Orthocenter we indicate with O or H. We indicate this orthocenter with O or H. And orthocenter definition is the point of concurrency of altitudes. AD is altitude, BE is altitude, CF is one more altitude. Altitude means it should be perpendicular. Height of the triangle is called altitude. So the
Yeah, okay.
point of concurrency of altitudes of the triangle is called orthocenter. O or H denotes by O or H. So this is nothing but orthocenter. Now that is definition, first point. Second point, for a right angle triangle, means the triangle will be like this. For a right angle triangle, the orthocenter is at a right angle. This is only orthocenter. If given a right angle triangle, the orthocenter is nothing but the vertex at right angle. For a right angle triangle, O is at right angle. O is at right angle. O is at right angle. For acute angle triangle, acute angle triangle will be like this only you will get. The angle should be less than 90. A, B, C. For acute angle triangle, orthocenter O is inside the triangle. O is inside the triangle. In the IP we do more sums this only. O is inside the triangle. For obtuse angle triangle, obtuse means greater than 90. For obtuse angle triangle A, B, C, orthocenter will be outside the triangle. Here you will get orthocenter. Altitudes, we should find altitudes, right?
Yes, sir.
Outside the O is outside the triangle. For obtuse angle, obtuse, acute. For acute, inside. For obtuse, outside the triangle. So this is 3 cases, which is at right angle. For right angle, at right angle. For acute, outside. For obtuse, inside the triangle.
Yes, sir. Obtuse is outside, but sir.
Huh?
Acute is inside and obtuse is outside.
Obtuse is outside.
Yeah.
Acute is
అంటే మీరు
inside.
ఇందాక inside అన్నారు సార్
Okay.
obtuse కి.
Okay. And next, if given 3 vertices, we know how to find the centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, orthocenter of a triangle A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and one more is 0, 0. If one of the vertex is 0, 0 of a triangle, then orthocenter O is equal to, we have a formula, that is K into y2 minus y1, minus K into x2 minus x1, where K is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by x1 x2 minus y1 y2. First you have to find K value, then substitute.
Okay.
Here you will get orthocenter. If one of the vertex is what? 0, 0. If
0,
one is 0,
0.
0, then only you have to apply. Otherwise we know the formula. Perpendicular bisector, perpendicular I mean altitude and altitude, then solving 2, you will get the solution. If one of vertex is 0, 0, this is the process. And one more, if O is orthocenter of the triangle ABC, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Fourth point is, if O is orthocenter and ABC are vertices of a triangle, this is the triangle ABCO, and we can form more 3 triangles like this: OAB, OBC, OCA. If O is orthocenter of the triangle ABC, then for triangle AOC, B is orthocenter. For triangle AOB, C is orthocenter. For triangle OBC, A is orthocenter. Understand? In a
Yes, sir.
triangle ABC, O is orthocenter, then A is orthocenter of OBC, B is orthocenter of AOC, and C is orthocenter of AOB. Okay, that you have to write.
Yes.
I'm not writing here. A is orthocenter of OBC. A is orthocenter of remaining this triangle, OBC triangle. B is
B is
orthocenter of
orthocenter of OAC.
triangle OAC. C is orthocenter of triangle OAB. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is also one important, that is. And next, in a triangle ABC, AD is altitude, B is also altitude, CF also altitude. This D, E, F are called, D is the footer perpendicular from A, E is the footer perpendicular from B, and F is footer perpendicular from C. We know foot theorem like this. Okay, this Q is foot of P, D is foot of A is foot of B, F is foot of C. This D, E, F are called feet of perpendiculars from the vertices of the triangle ABC. The triangle which is formed by these feet of perpendiculars, this is also one triangle. In previous centroid, by midpoints we formed a triangle. Here by feet of perpendiculars we are forming a triangle. This triangle DEF is called pedal triangle. Pedal triangle. Triangle DEF is called pedal triangle, and you have one relation here. Orthocenter of triangle ABC is equal to incenter of triangle DEF, pedal triangle. Orthocenter of this triangle is nothing but the equal of incenter of the triangle DEF. If I ask you, the incenter of triangle formed by the feet of the perpendicular of a triangle ABC is 1, 3. What is the orthocenter of the triangle ABC? 1, 3. So for this, దీనికి ఏదైతే ఇన్సెంటర్ ఉందో దీనికి అదే ఆర్థో సెంటర్, దీని ఆర్థో సెంటర్, దీనికి ఇన్సెంటర్. దీని ఆర్థో సెంటర్ ఇస్తే దీని ఇన్సెంటర్ ఇచ్చినట్టే, దీని ఇన్సెంటర్ ఇస్తే దీని ఆర్థో సెంటర్ ఇచ్చినట్టే. దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్. అండర్స్టాండ్? So this is
Yes, sir.
last point. Orthocenter of triangle ABC equal to incenter of triangle DEF, where DEF is called pedal triangle, means formed by the feet of the perpendiculars. Okay na?
Okay.
Right. Right. I'm giving you examples.
Okay.
The orthocenter of triangle formed by A 2 comma minus 1 by 2, B 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, C 2 comma root 3 minus 1 by 2. The orthocenter of triangle formed by these 3 points. Orthocenter we have to find. Actually, we have to find the altitudes and we have to find the point of intersection of altitudes. But in objective, we have to check, is this right angle or not? If right angle triangle, if this is right angle triangle, for example, if this is right angle triangle ABC, then at right angle, which vertex is there? That is only the orthocenter. We have one notation. For right angle triangle, at right angle is orthocenter. For acute angle triangle, inside. For obtuse angle triangle, inside. For acute acute angle triangle, inside. For obtuse angle triangle, outside. Already we have notations. So we have to check this is right angle triangle or not. See, for right angle triangle, these two sides are always perpendicular. In coordinate geometry, x-axis, y-axis also always perpendicular. The x-axis slope is 0 and the y-axis slope is undefined, infinity. If you'll get in any triangle, the slopes of any two sides like this, one is 0, one is infinity, adjacent sides, then also we can say that is right angle, and more one side this is, then we can say that is right angle triangle. That's why we have to check, will we get 0 and infinity any two by solving any two points and solving AB slope. AB slope means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. Y2 minus y1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 0 by 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2 minus 2 0 by something 0. So one slope we got 0, AB side is 0. Now find BC. See BC, this will not 0. Why? Because this minus this not 0. Then go to AC. So AC, this minus this not 0. AC slope is equal to y2 minus y1 root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 by x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 2 minus 2 0. Something by 0 is infinity. So AC slope infinity na. Then
Yes, sir.
AB slope is 0
Yeah.
and AC slope is infinity, means you will get here A, here B. AB slope is 0 means you will get here B. For example, comparing to this, no problem here. If you write here B, this is C. AB slope is 0, this is 0, and AC slope is infinity. So these two clearly perpendicular, and at right angle we have vertex A. So this A is orthocenter. Therefore, you have to write, since AB perpendicular AC, therefore at right angle we have A. Therefore, orthocenter is vertex A is equal to 2 comma minus 1 by 2 is the answer.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is for orthocenter. And questions for orthocenter. Write one question.
Okay.
If A, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Write fast, more 5 minutes we have.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. If A 3x1 comma 3y1 and B 3x2 comma 3y2 and C 3x3 comma 3y3 are the vertices of a triangle, and the orthocenter is H, and orthocenter H at, and orthocenter H hat x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 then angle B is what? That means you have to write angle ABC, but angle B is what?
Okay.
Is asking what is angle B. Okay. Options. First option 90, second option 60, third option 30, fourth option 45. These are the options. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Second question. If A 3 comma minus 4, B 7 comma 2 are the endpoints of the diameter of a circle, are the endpoints of the diameter of a circle, are the endpoints of the diameter of a circle, and C 3 comma 2 is a point on the circle. C 3 comma 2 is a point on the circle. Is a point on the circle. Then the orthocenter of triangle ABC is. Then the orthocenter of a triangle ABC is 0 comma 0, 3 comma minus 4, 3 comma 2, 7 comma 2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Next. What related? Yeah. Right question. If A minus 3 comma 0, B 4 comma minus 1, C 5 comma 2 are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of altitude through A, is 2 by root 10, 4 by root 10, 11 by root 10, 22 by root 10. These are the options. Okay.
Okay.
So we have more problems I will give you later. Okay. First you have to
Okay,
solve
sir.
these problems.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
Circumcenter and incenter more there we have.
Yeah.
Circumcenter,
And
incenter.
incenter.
Okay. Circumcenter, you know, I think. Incenter and excenter, then nature of quadrilaterals. Finish.
Okay.
So I have to complete tomorrow at any cost.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
పాసిబుల్ అయితే సాయంత్రం అయినా మళ్ళీ తీసుకుంటాను నేను ఈవినింగ్.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
ఓకే. ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి నాయన, ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి ఇంకా మనం. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
You do your level best. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Right.